We're gonna learn how to get texts out of your image into a simple, fast and effective method. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. So imagine that you was watching a video on YouTube and you got some code and you would like to take a screenshot and copy this code to use on your own code, for example. How to extract text out of this image? Imagine that I would like to extract this paragraph right here, or maybe this title right here. This is an image. First thing, go to your Windows, go to Microsoft Store, type snipping tool, this guy right here, it's an app. Normally it goes automatically on your Windows computer, but if not, you can download it right here. Install it. After, go to your image, click with the right button of your mouse over the image, open with, and now find snipping tool. Just like this. You're gonna open the image right here and you're gonna be able to find a couple of menus right here, plus the camera, the options to click, the options to cut, and next you have this scan text. Click on it and now I can simply select all the text, or select the text, copy and place it wherever I want, and it works with every single piece of text on my image, so it's a really good and useful tool. After doing the job, copy the text, place wherever you want, and you can close the tab. And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best!